guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is 2023, 13th of July. Thank you so much guys for coming back. Right, hi Hubert, Flora, Carol. Hi, Sabrina. Yes, wonderful. Alright, we are most welcome. Wow, Sabrina collected about a total of 62 pips yesterday. Alright, congratulations, well done. Alright, hi Bradley, Dari, Dopra Yutro, Caro, JJ, nice to see you, all of you here. Thank you so much. And hi Eileen, thank you so much for coming in. Alright, so yes, okay. Yep, okay. You shall be mentioned. Okay, yes, all right. Thank you so much for coming in, guys. All right, so yes, we have a very good one on the pound dollar yesterday. Am I right, guys? Okay, so yeah. Am I very soft? Okay, if I'm very soft, do let me know, okay? Alright. Okay, so, yep. Once again, now. Okay, so let's see. Okay. What do I have here? Okay. Do I have the music? Do I have the music here? I think I have the music, right? Okay. I cannot hear it myself. Hi Fred. Hi CK. Hi, good morning everybody. Okay, so yep, and let's take a look over here. I've sent out this, all right, and let's see. Okay. Yes, all right. Okay, it hits the target of 1.300. Yes, it hits the target there. Correct, that's right. Okay, this is the point I'm looking at. Okay, over here it went up to 1.3160. So yeah, and be looking into 1.390. Okay, so we can see there's rejections over here. Very clearly we can see because of the support that we actually become a resistance. So I think that is one. Okay, so yep, and that is one point there. Yes, okay. Yes, Dari. Yes, I only go for short. I seldom go for long. Okay. You are right. Okay. Okay, so I'm only looking out for the selling. Okay, I only short the market. All right. The reason, I know what you are going to ask me why, am I right? Okay, why? The reason is very simple. Market is made up of people, all right, human being, and we people, 95% of us are pessimistic. So usually, okay, when people are talking about some negative news, just a little bit of negative news, people turns negative, people turns pessimistic, and they will start to sell their stocks, their shares, their whatever, okay, just to secure their assets. So that is an action. So I'm making use of this psychology, all right, to support the philosophy of just going for short, not long. All right. Well, so far so good. Okay. Okay. So yep. Yeah. So that's one. Okay. Yes. Dari, give me a few days. Let me settle down and I'll get back to you. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay, so another thing is that over here, all right, okay, we are now looking into some of the currencies pairs that we have over here. Okay, but like going short on pound dollar is like long on the dollar pound. Oh yes, it's on the other side. Yes, it's the opposite. You know, when you know the fundamental of the forex trading, yeah, when you have a pound dollar, if you are selling the pound against the dollar, on the other hand, at the back end system, okay, actually is buying the dollar against the pound. Okay, so that's one. All right, that's how the back end system works, huh? Okay, yeah, okay, so that's one of the fundamental. Okay, that's one of the concept. All right, so then let's take a look. What do we have here? All right, for this. Okay, let me see. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, I'm looking for selling. Okay, you are really disciplined on following urgent rules. Yes, JJ, you're right. Okay, yes. All right, so once again, okay, yeah, once again, over at this point here, okay, so yeah, and let me also send out. Okay, in my description box, actually, there's my Discord link. Okay, so guys, you can also, if you have not joined in, okay, you can join in the Discord. Okay, all right. So tentatively, once again, just a highlight to you that the Discord is actually currently is for updating purpose. Okay, updating purpose. Okay, we will have let me settle down and plan out some of the activity in there. Huh? Okay. All right. Hi MK, nice to see you here. Okay, so as we can see, pound dollar. All right, we have a lot of liquidity down there. Correct? We have a lot of liquidity down there to be completed. Okay. All right, so but of course, not forgetting, we are actually still in the bull. Okay, we are still in the bull. So by coming in, all right, into this bull, all right, we are still looking into buying, as we can still see. Okay, in the general chart. Okay, we are still looking out for the right resistance, I would say. Okay, over at this point here, seems like 130, 160 is not enough to withhold that. It's still working hard. Okay, to go further up, like say 130.75. Okay, that is the next target, where the next one to go is 131.215. It can still be higher, all right, but looks like okay, so looks like the one that I'm actually looking at is about 132.647. 132.647. Okay, yeah, so I guess it's quite obvious. All right, so for this, okay, when I talk about pound dollar, naturally I will be looking into dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Yes, dollar yen. Before that, we were actually talking about this area. Okay, I'm actually looking into this area here. All right, this area here. So once this area is broken, I'm actually looking into the next higher level, where it is here. Okay, nicely done up. Okay, nicely touched 145 and started to slip off. Okay, now slipping off down to for dollar yen, we're actually coming into a support of 138. Okay, I think last 1.5 months ago, I think Forex New Way were also talking about this as well. So we were all looking at about 145. All right, so after 145, we are looking for selling. Okay, so looks like it's actually nicely, I would say, okay, obeying the rules. Okay, and now it's actually coming back for the selling to take a support, perhaps to recover even higher to 150. But at the moment there isn't any sign of reversal yet. Okay, so at the moment I'll still be looking out for some short-term, okay, short-term buying. All right, some short-term buying to about 139. To be exact, it's not one. To be exact, should be here 139.72. Okay, 139.72. Okay, so 76. Sorry, 139.76. So should be a temporary buying. Okay, So after that, if that is looking for buying, then for pound dollar, you'll be looking out into for some selling as well. Okay, should be looking out for some selling as well. All right. Okay. So yep. Then, but of course, by looking out for some selling is to look out for support. And also to take out some of the liquidity. Okay, downwards. All right. So let's put it this way. Okay. As we can see over here, the selling off, correct? Last year, do you still remember, guys, when I was having COVID, when I was lying down on the bed for 8 days, and you guys have been selling off without me? Okay. Yeah, that period of time. Okay, so it was around here. So it has created a lot of liquidity for it to recover. So right now, after 1 year, not even 1 year, coming to 1 year, about 10 months down the road, 9 months, 10 months down the road, now they are actually recovering. Okay, they are recovering. So looks like it's good. Okay, looks like it looks good as well. And now actually coming back to an area. Okay, it's coming back to an area whereby over into this area here that we are looking into to challenge the real high here. Okay, to challenge a real high here. 132, yeah, about 132.7, somewhere there, around there. Okay, so at the moment, by looking into this move, okay, okay, so let's not do this. Okay, we can see that this over here, we can see this is an inverse, correct? Inverse head and shoulder here. So when this actually comes in for the first round, which is last year during the Christmas, okay, after the Christmas, I think we have a very clear idea that okay, no more selling, correct? But there's a lot of pullback. We can sell along the pullback. All right, so there's a lot after the Christmas, we are selling. Beginning of the year, we are selling very happily because it's actually coming into a retesting state. Okay, so after that, it started to bounce back, and for the buying, so all the while we have been selling is all the pullback over here. All right, then after that, right now we can still see that it's actually running on the bull. Okay, so all this is still in the bull trend. Yes, it is still in the bull trend, but most of the time we have been trading the pullback for the pound dollar, right, to see if there's a chance that there's a breakout structure. Okay, so at this point here especially, okay, at this point here especially, when we were selling at the beginning of the year, beginning of this 2023, because seems like it has been withheld as a resistance to continue the selling, correct? Okay, so by telling you guys all this is a little bit of updates for myself. Okay, I'm talking to myself. All right. I hope you don't find it bored. Okay, so I'm just telling myself that okay, this is also analysis for myself that we can see that it's actually coming back to test into this area to firm up the inverse head and shoulder. So after that, we are actually moving towards the north to take this area where the beginning of the swing down. All right. So we are actually coming back very soon, so we can take a look at that. Okay. All right. สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหม Very happy to see you back here. See you in Thailand. No. Sorry, no. See you in Donburi. Yeah. Okay. I think my yes. You'll be back next week. Alright. I will be back maybe in December. Donburi. Okay. Yep. Alright. Okay. Cannot I miss the hoi I miss hoi mak lo. And I must go back. Okay. All right. Let's see, pound dollar. Okay, so basically for pound dollar, okay, so we are coming into this area here. So we can see that this pound dollar, we are still testing into the resistance. Correct? We are still testing into the resistance. So I would say that I will say that, okay, for this area here, okay, the resistance wise, okay, it seems like you know, we are actually trying to break this resistance to continue the bull. Okay, to continue the bull, like I say, 132, right? Okay, about 132.7, huh? I think so. Yeah, can't remember. Okay, so yeah, I think it's 132.7. It's quite high up there. Okay. Okay, why not this way? Okay. This whole area here, okay, this whole area here is the one that are very challenging. Okay, I would say, yeah. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay. Then over here, okay, yeah, that's correct. Then let's see if that is one. Okay, that we are going. I'm thinking that's one area. 131. Let me check. Okay, 131. 131 is not enough. 130 around here. 132.7. Yeah, 132.7. Okay. Yeah, set an alert there. 132.7 around there. 132.7. Yeah. Okay, it should be around here. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Dari. 5 pips done. Okay, long pound dollar, huh? Okay. Congratulations. Well done. Good catch, good catch. But if you catch from the support, then that will be good. Okay. Alright, so support to buy up. Alright, okay. So by looking into this, okay, now, okay, over here. Alright. So we are still looking into this. Okay. Hi Code Meteor. Nice to see you here. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Alright. Wow. Are you the first time here? Or you have been here for quite a while? Okay. Yeah. So let's see for pound dollar. Okay, we are going to test into this to take out the highs first. Okay, to take out the highs first. So remember guys, we are still in the bull. Alright, we are still in the bull. The bull is still buying, is still running. So over at this point here, we are still looking for some pullbacks to set up the support before we actually go really high up to break the resistance. Okay, alright. Yes, Code Meteor, the first time. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much. Where are you from? May I know where you're from? Let's make friends together. Welcome to the community. But don't be alarmed. Don't be started by us. Okay, we can be very crazy. Okay. Oh, you're from Indonesia. Oh, Indonesia. Okay. So I should say Indonesia. Selamat datang. Correct. Selamat datang. Am I right? I hope I'm correct. Okay. Indonesia. Okay. Nice. Very near to me. I'm from Singapore. Yeah, I heard Batam has a 30 makasih. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Correct, huh? Okay. I heard Batam has a very nice new beach resort. Very nice new. I think there's something new. Beach resort. Yeah, I have not been to a beach resort for many years. Many years. So I was thinking, yeah, I saw someone was posting about the nice resorts in Indonesia. Yeah, I wanted to visit. Yeah, I think my last trip was yeah, my last trip was Jakarta. Yeah, I went Jakarta for a seminar. Yeah, that was quite many years back. Then I went to Bandung. I went to Bandung. I went to where? Yeah, I can't remember. Okay, I know there's a national zoo. Yeah, very nice. Okay, looks like pound dollar we are selling downwards. Okay, we are 30 minutes away. Yeah. Oh, you're in Bandung. I see. Hey, Bandung is very nice place, you know. Yeah. I hope I can see you there one day, soon. In fact, I have a trip in this year, early this year in Bandung. Yeah, it's supposed to be in March, but we postponed it. Yeah, we made it into online. Yeah, and okay, let's take a look. Let me see. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar looks nice. Now we are on the resistance, selling off from the resistance. Okay, so this is a pullback, guys. Remember, this is a pullback, huh? Okay, so so over here, since this is a pullback, all right, so please be careful. If you are trading on the selling, then we have to look out for some support. Okay, some support. So we have a space down here, which now we have about 20 pips. Okay, for the selling, but there's no selling signal yet. Okay, this is only a rejections. Okay, this is only a rejections here. Okay, so this is only a rejections. So it is still not that fantastic yet. Okay, so it may just come down here to take the support here. Okay, and then forget about it, because currently I don't see a chance for selling yet. Okay, it is still a pullback. All right, yeah, unless later on, if okay, let me zoom in over here. If later on it actually rebounds back to form a lower resistance over here, and the resistance comes in, then I will go for the selling, which I see around 20 pips. Okay, which have around, no, it should be lower. Not here, not here anymore. Supposed to be here, but not here anymore. Okay. Oh no, it should be here already. Wow. Looks like there's about 32 pips there. Okay, about 32 pips there. Okay, so let's see if there's another round of resistance to sell down. Okay, then after that we will take a look how it goes. Okay, all right, so over at this point here, yeah, this is one of the level. Then we can take a look. This area here. Okay, yeah, this is the next area, another 24. Right, so there may be a chance, okay, but guys, take a look my targets. Okay, I have a change of my pattern, huh? Okay, so let's delete this since it has been taken out, and delete this since it has been completed. Okay, yeah, so I have a target here, so right here. Okay, so right here, first of all, with all this from the target over here, we are looking out for about 70 pips there. Around, okay, around 70, to be exact 80. Okay, 80 pips, make it 80 pips. So if there's 80 pips there, alright, along the way they're bound to have some zone that we need to clear before we hit the 80 pips, right? Okay, so along the way, let's see how it goes. It may be a very big retracement. Okay, it may be a very big retracement, or Okay, it may be going into a transition from the bull into the bear. 转换站啊，转换站。Okay, so it may be forming a transition from the bull into the bear. Okay, that is the transition. So but along the way during this transition time, okay, it may not be a bear. It may not necessarily, it may not be a bear yet. Okay, so there may be still some buying. So we are on the way to create a bear market. Okay, we are on the way to create a bear market. When I talk about transition, okay, when I talk about transition, so it also means that we are on the way to create a bear. Okay, so when this area here down to, let me see, sorry guys, 129.76.4. okay, this area here, so this may be the area on the way to become a bear, so this is a transition area. Okay, it's a transition area. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's hold on. So when we are trading on the pound dollar, we need to be a little bit careful. Okay, since we are going against the trend, I will suggest a 5 pips scalping. Okay, just use a 5 pips scalping, and that will go on and on and on down to this area here. All right, so let's see. Okay, let's see how it goes. And I'm looking at the selling of pound dollar. Okay, to complete this zone. Okay, to complete this zone first. All right, so if I want to sell for the pound dollar, I have to break 1,300. Okay, over here. Okay, over here, 1.3. Okay, so 130 here. So after that, then I'm looking out to as low as 129.76.4. Right, 129.76.4. So over here. Okay, yeah. All right, hi John, nice to see you here. Solid scalper. Okay, so yep, and this area here. All right, so yep, okay, okay, over at this point. That's for the pound dollar. Okay, so let's take a look at something else. Okay, like example pound yen. All right, pound yen. So pound yen over here. Yes, pound yen. Pound yen over here. Let's see. Yeah, pound yen. Okay, so we are actually moving towards the bull, and this is the transition to become a bear. All right, it's a transition become a bear. All right, so over at this point here. Okay, then over at this point we are in the transition, but it's still in the bull. It has not completed to become a bear market yet. Okay, so at the moment, okay, we are still facing. I'm sorry, wrong reading. Okay, reset. reset. Okay, so from here we are actually, let me check. Okay, yeah, this area here. All right, so this tentatively, okay, with this wave here is actually went into the bear over here. Okay, where last week we actually waiting for the selling. Am I right? Last week. Okay, so last week, okay, we are actually waiting for the selling, and then it comes in at the late last week, and until this week we have been selling off. So once it gets into this area, once it breaks out of breaks below 183.267, and that is where it actually start to swing down. Okay, so this is the area of this swing. This is the bear area of this swing here. So looks like we are still looking for some selling. All right, so for the selling wise, and still looking out into this area here, we are still being resisted. Okay, we are still being resisted here. Let me see. 1, 2. One area that is already sold down, then another area, 1, 2. Okay, so since that's the case, over here we are having a resistance down here. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so let me see. $22.59. We have about 12 pips to go. If these 12 pips able to break below, okay, and that will be quite a good space down there to start selling. Okay, first of all we have 120 pips and we'll meet up with some turbulence. After that we are going down for another 30 over pips to go. Alright, so total make it up about 59 pips. Okay, that will be about 59 pips. Alright, yeah, so that's one. Okay, so very interesting. For the pound yen, we can take a look at the pound yen. Yes, pound dollar, what's the question? Pound dollar looks like the selling is actually coming in when you can see the resistance have been tested and not breaking through. Okay, let's take a look. Almost there. So hang on for a little while. Okay, I'm still looking into this area here. Okay, it will be good if the price actually comes below 130. Okay, if the price comes below 130, then if there's another form of resistance, then I will go for the selling. Okay, then I will go for the selling. All right. Okay. Okay. Right, so that's for the pound dollar. Okay, that's for the pound dollar. Okay, and pound yen also. All right, so pound yen, the plan here will be looking out for into this 180.087. Okay, so wow, that is a very good space down there. Okay, a very good space down there. Okay, let's see over here. This is one support here. Okay, so if you're looking into pound yen, okay, this is the area that is going to break below. After it breaks below, then we go for the selling. Okay, then we go for the selling. All right. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, so still not ready for selling yet because there may be a chance that it may hit up as a support at 180.087 to go further up. Okay, so please hang on, make sure it breaks below, then we will see where to take action. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. So yes, what do you have, guys? What do you have? Pound cat. Okay, if you are looking to something else, okay, do let me know today. All right. And pound cat, I'm waiting for it to test into the resistance, where now it has been tested. Okay, so waiting for a selling. Selling quite possible because you see we have selling coming in for quite a good one, and then we have about 40 pips down. Okay, so pound cat waiting for it to break 171.24. 171.24. Okay, all right. Okay, monthly resistance at 1,335 for cow dollar. Yes, correct. Okay, around that area. Okay, it should be around that area. So just hang on for a while. Okay, so it's good to wait for it to break below. Okay, it's good to wait for it to break below. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait for a little while. Okay, we are going to have a selling, temporary selling down now. Okay, should be only a little bit. Okay, it should be only a little bit, because into this area from here to here it may have another inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so you have to be careful. Alright, so example, this area here. Okay, can you see, guys? Okay, so here the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So but it's inverse. Okay, so please be careful with this as well. Alright. Okay, so that's why let's wait. It's good to see that if when it comes down, retest, then we go. Okay, then we will go. Alright, so not now yet. Okay, so you can see it's about 1335. Okay, it should be around here. Alright. Okay. Yes, 5 pips on the dollar yen. Okay. 5 pips on the dollar yen. Let's see. Okay, 5 pips on the dollar yen. Oh. Yeah, are you selling? Okay, are you selling from the resistance, Dari? Okay, if you're selling from the resistance, then it will be good. Okay. Alright. Short. Yeah, okay, very good. Okay, if you're, yeah, I think you're doing a short, huh? Okay, well done. Okay, very good. Okay, this is from the resistance. Okay, this is from the resistance, huh? Okay, so that's nice. That's nice. Always look out for key levels. Okay, always look out for key levels to sell. All right, always look out for key levels to sell, so that your 5 pips will be very firm. Okay. Short or short. Okay, I don't know if that is risky or not. Okay, if you're entering in, if you're looking out for the resistance, okay, then it should be around here to sell. This is the resistance here. Okay, so let's do this. This is a support, correct? Okay, so there's a resistance here. Okay, so you can see this area here. Okay, this area here. Okay, it has came in as a resistance. Okay, then after that we go for the selling. Okay, yeah, from resistance level. Yes, very good. Okay, yeah, okay, so that's the trick to get that 5 pips. It's easy, right? So today Dari has already taken 10 pips. Am I right? Just now the pound dollar and now the dollar yen. Okay. Okay, so pound dollar once again. Okay, over here, like John just highlighted over here, 1335 is one of the level that we need to take note. Okay, yeah. Hi Kenneth, GJ is building a support. Yeah, I'm waiting for you, Kenneth, for the GJ. Yesterday, okay, that day we were talking about this, right? 180.087 is a very strong support. Okay, this is the strongest support. Okay, so we managed to break it, and then we still have around 40 to 50 pips down to 179.493. Correct? Okay. Hi, morning. Yes. So over at this point here, okay, so that day we were talking about it, and it breaks through and it stopped over at this 180.087, and finally yesterday it breaks through and it started to go down. Okay, I hope you captured that as well. So for the GJ, is it building a support around 179.91? Okay, over here. Okay, so you're talking about 179.91, which is about here. Okay, over at this point here. All right. So this is the area. Okay, so this is the area. All right, this is the area. Yes, this is the area that they will be testing it as a support. This will be testing it as a support to go further up to test into 180.502. 180.502. Okay, yeah. So at this point here, yeah, is over into this area, huh? Yeah. Okay, so you got some profit yesterday. Very good. Congratulations after selling the breakout, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, so that's one. Sabrina, John is looking for you. she's like I said, she's in Philippines. Okay. Yep, and let's see for the pound dollar. Right, for pound dollar, yep, we have I think we stopped around this area. Yep, it got rebounded back. Now it's got rebounded and looking for resistance once again before it actually going for a selling. If it can breaks, okay, if it can breaks, all right. So this area can be quite a stubborn one. Okay, a stubborn, okay, a very stubborn area. Okay, all right. Okay, yep. Yep. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at this area here. So if we can able to break out of this area, okay, then I think that will be good. Okay, I think that will be good. Okay, right. Okay, so still as a support. It's still as a support. Okay, still as a support. Ups up, ups up, ups up. Okay. Yes, it is still as a support. Okay. So this whole area here, about 5 pips away. Okay. Yes, you are right. Correct. It's a double top now. Okay. Okay. So by looking into this, all right. So if there's a chance that this is actually going to sell down, all right, then we can still look out for some selling. Okay. But the selling area will still be here. My selling area will still be here. Okay. If you are good at this area, I will still suggest no. Okay, I still suggest a no, huh? All right, because really a bit tight. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's good that it's coming in now. Yes. Yes, Dari. So Eric, what give you the signal to buy, like if the trade is in the perfect support resist level, and what that makes you go into the trade? Do you look for candle pattern or an arrow? Okay. Okay, so yeah. For example, okay, for example over here, okay, for example over here, this area here, usually I'm looking out for patterns like this. Okay, pattern like this. So I want to see, okay, I want to see a first of all general picture. Okay, double top, whatever top, okay, whatever top, okay. You want tank top, tip top, whatever top you have, okay. All right, then after that, example, this is still in the resisted area, but we have some support into this area, which I supposed to sell from here to here, correct? But usually I wait for confirmation. A confirmation, like example, something like over into the area. First of all, it must be in the area. After that, then it started to form things like this, okay, like this, green, red, and green, red candle. Then I will go for the selling. Okay, same rules. Engulfing, you see engulfing candles, and then we are ready to take the trade. Okay, we are ready to take the trade. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's one. Okay. Okay, so yeah, and okay. So for example, like this is a good one. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, for example like this. Okay, over here we can see the double top. Okay, then after that it's actually coming down to swing down. This is a top and it swing down. This close as a resistance. Green, red is a resistance. Now engulfing candles. So that means the resistance is a lower resistance compared to the top. Am I right? Okay, so this one is a lower resistance and it's good. And once it close green, red candle to form a resistance, then the next one to go with engulfing, then I think that was a good one. That's a good one too. That's the point that I will go in for a trade. However, for this situation, I won't be going in because I'm in the support area. Okay, you have to assess. You have to assess if this entry is it good entry. To me, a good entry for short, it must be in the selling area. Okay, if a good entry for short, it must be in the selling area, where now we are not in the selling area. Okay, like John just highlighted, we have 1335 is actually the monthly support, right? Okay, so the monthly resistance or support, I think. Yeah, okay, so that's one of the key levels I see as well. Okay, 130 300. Okay, that's also one. Okay, so just take note also. Okay, so for now I would rather to wait for the price to go below, breaks below, then after that it forms another round of selling. Okay, it comes back here, return to test as a resistance, to form a resistance, to come down, then I enter for the trade. Okay. Yeah. 靠仔買 understand? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Always look out for the area, the entry. If you're selling, always sell in the, if you're selling, always sell in the, if you're short, always sell in the selling area. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I will wait for the retest into this area here, the retouch here. Then after that, I will go for, and I will go for it. All right. Yes, GJ. Yeah, GJ. Yes. GJ hits today opens price and support zone, time to buy. It hits maybe okay for yours, because I have a gap down today, so we may have a little bit of different reading over here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see if this is time to buy, but also look out for the resistance over this area here, 180.87, this area here. Okay, so this area, if I want to buy, I will see if there's a break one. Okay, a breakout of this. Then after that, support comes in above 180.087, then I will go for the buy. Okay, I'll go for the buy because we do not know if this is going to retest to sell down again to form a support, or it will break above. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one point to take note. All right, that's one point to take note. Okay, yeah. All right. EATP, wow, wonderful, Derek, well done. Okay, I wouldn't buy yes only if it go to that lower level. You mean for pound yen, trend is short. Okay, yeah. So if you're buying, actually you're looking for resistance to continue the selling. So this may be the area that you will continue the selling. Okay. All right. So yep. Let's take a look at EJ. Right. Okay, yep, starting from the resistance, that is good. Okay, nice. That's nice, that's nice. Okay, so we are pound dollar. Let's take a look. All right, pound dollar. Good morning. Just now pound got new, so no C. Okay. Okay. So well, London market has opened. So let's see. Let's wait and see. So are we going down for the selling right now to take this area? Okay, so let's see if this is going to break out of this area first. This area is very important. Okay, it's important, this area. Yep. Yep. And looks like it's quite tough for it to break. Okay, it looks like it's quite tough for it to break. Euro yen. Okay, we are now in the resistance area. So this is the one of the target. Looks like this is one of the target. Okay, let's see. We have support. Okay. Euro yen. Looks like Euro yen is going to take out the high first. I guess the Euro yen looks like it's going to take out the highs first before it actually come down for a selling. Alternatively, okay, then there's a resistance here. Okay, all right, over here, this level. So if you can see this level, we have a resistance now as a left shoulder, head, and now they are trying to create a right shoulder to swing down again. Okay, so it can become a head and shoulder once again. Okay, so take note of that. Okay, take note of that. All right, so that's 1 point. Okay, that's 1 point. Okay, that's for the pound yen, euro yen. Okay, that's for the euro yen. Okay, pound dollar buying. The pound dollar buying. No, cannot buy. Cannot buy also. Okay, cannot buy because you can see 1 test, 2 test, second test. Correct? So many tests. Right. So obvious. This is a resistance. Correct? So this is a resistance here. So no. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Pound dollar. High impact news released now, moving up. Okay, now. Am I? Okay. The high impact news was here. Correct. The high impact news was here. Okay, so this is 1 point here. Okay. Construction industry news. Construction industry news. Okay. I think okay, not to worry. Okay, let's take a look at this first. Okay, let's see how it reacts. Now the market's opening and see if that will actually give some resistance, to test the resistance once again. If this is going to break through, then forget about it. Okay, yeah. Okay, looks like the pound is actually will go a little bit strong. Okay, seems like because seems like high impact news on the GDP month is on the positive side. Okay, which give a good push. All right, but the push managed to test onto the resistance only. Okay, it tested onto the resistance only. well, maybe it may also go further up to test into the next level of the higher one. Okay, which okay, which I see there's another level up there. Okay, just now we were talking about that, right? Okay, so this area here. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we may be looking into this area here, this area of resistance here. Okay, so before I move, I go this first. All right, 130.828, about there, 130.828. Let me see. Well, since let's look at 133.89 first. Okay, 133.89, 133.89, 133.89. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 133.89. Okay, let's look at 133.89. Okay, let's see how's it going. Oh, okay, it's breaking out. Okay, 133.89. Let's see 133.89. Okay, so now you understand, guys. So can you see inverse? This is an inverse head and shoulder here. Okay, so this area here is a kind of a very strong kind of a support here. So try not to enter a trade over at this point here. Okay, so I want to break below, then I wanted to sell down, but this area, this is not the area that we should be looking out for the selling. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see, looks like we are approaching 133.89. Okay, so hang on for a little while. After the 133.89, perhaps we have even a better space to sell down, sell back again to look out for support. Yeah, good. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Right, let's see over at this point here. Seems like over here. Okay. 1, 2. Bradley, GUTP, 10 pips. Okay, well done. Okay, I think you're going for the buy, right? Okay, I think you're going for the buy, huh? Okay, that's good. That's good. But the buy over at this resistance here a bit tough. Okay, so please take note. Please take note. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Alright, so just take note. Okay, just take note. Okay, so here now, if just now we are talking about this area. Now the high has been taken out. Will it actually comes back to take down the lows once again? Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so if this is going to continue as a buy, okay, what will happen is that likely it should retrace downwards to this area here to set up the support. Then we'll continue the buying. Okay. They will continue the buying. All right. Okay, so yeah. Okay. looks like okay, we seller are waiting to sell. Greed. Okay, so let's wait, be patient. Okay, I wanted to buy the pound dollar, but I'm worried. Well, you wanted to buy the pound dollar, am I right? Okay, you are looking to buy on the pound dollar. Okay, Sabrina is talking to buy about the pound dollar. Well, if you are going to buy in this area, of course this is not the area that I would suggest. Okay, all right, so if this is going to break through, right, like now, okay, it breaks through, correct? Okay, so let's see, let me zoom in, take a look. If this is going to break through, now it's breaking out, correct? Okay, so we are expecting to see this candle to sell down. Okay, now we are expecting to see the candle to sell down a bit. Okay, if this candle is going to sell down to this area to set up a red green candle for as a support, okay, then I will go for the buy. Okay, then I will go for the buy. Okay, so just now we are talking about this area, am I right? This is the resisted area, but the support came too early, too near to us, so I'm not ready to sell that. Okay, so if so that's why we are still in the resisted area. So although we hit on the support, but the support is it's like a resisted area. We have a support inside here, correct? Okay, we have a resisted area, the support is inside here. So you know, no matter how you buy, you will still meet up with the resistance. The support is here. We are in the, as a whole, we are in the resisted area. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, this is the resisted area, right? Okay, this is the resisted area, the big one. So can you see this black box here? So within this resisted area, this is a support. So it came down, it made hits and form up the inverse head and shoulder to test the resistance again. So I'm not ready to buy here because the space is too tight. Okay, the space is too tight. Alright, so now since we have identified this as a resisted area, then any buying should be above this area. Any selling should be below this area of 130.16. Okay, but again, we also have a support here, so might as well I look out for another favorable, okay, a favorable position to sell, which is below this area, which is here. That gives me a 16 pips or maybe to a 23 pips down there. Okay, from here 16 to a 26 pips down here. Okay, where this is a support. All right, so I would rather sell here because the area is bigger. Correct, the area is bigger. So that means to say, if I'm going to sell, the selling can come down, there's more space to sell, but when it goes back up, the resistance is quite tight, so I can still sustain. Okay, let's say I have 10-12 pips of area to sustain my, to go for my losses. Can I still stomach that losses? Yes, I still can. Then taking a 12 pips risk for a 28 pips, so I think it's reasonable. So that's the reason why I would choose to sell in this area here. Okay, yeah. So right now it's still escalating up to 32.88. Now are we approaching 130.38.9? Okay, 130.38.9. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if there's a chance there. All right. So at the moment, so for buyers, okay, are you going to buy now? Okay, you are left with about 9 pips. You can disagree. Okay, you can disagree with me. Why? Because, okay, you may be thinking that it may break the resistance. Correct? It may break the resistance. But first thing first, what is there? We will use it there first. All right. Okay, like example, who are the people here with me now? I appreciate all of you here right now. 珍惜当下哈 ，OK. Appreciate what's in front of you first, huh? Okay. So, always take reference what is ahead of us first. Okay, what is ahead of us first? All right. Yes. Can I ask what is the red line and the red dot? Disagree with me. Ha ha ha. Me. The red line means resistance. The green line means support. Okay, the dotted line here, okay, is my working line. Okay, my estimate line. All right. So there's one resistance up here. Okay, the resistance is up here. So this is the resistance just now earlier on. Okay, let me replace it. Okay, so let me bring this down. 130. Okay, here. So this area here, this was the previous resistance. This is the previous resistance. Okay, so let's say, now, okay, like I say, over here it should be coming back for a little while. Alright, so this red candle should come back a little while. So, but this doesn't mean it's a selling. Okay, because we are still above. We are still above this support. Am I right? Okay, this just now we broke the resistance. Now it has become a support. If this price comes in here to set up a support, red green candle to go back again, yes, this is the point. Buyers take note, you can buy. Okay, buyers can take note to buy. All right. Okay. Yes. Magoji. Yes. Magoji. All right. Yes, this area. Because if in order for a price to continue the buying, it needs a support. You see, from the support here, it may push the support over here. It may only good enough to push to this level. So this area of buyers may have taken profits and get out of the trade, correct? And then sellers comes in. When you sell off, when you hit your TP, that means your buying trades become a selling trade. So lack of buying volume, price drop, correct? Price drop, and it may comes into this level, right, where the consolidation may comes in to become a buy. Okay, may become a buy. All right, so this may be the area that the buyers are actually waiting. Okay, all right, if you look at the order book, okay, the buyers should be waiting here to buy. All right, around this area, around this price. I mean, this is my line, okay, but it doesn't mean that, okay, I'm so sharp to the extent that I can read. Okay. Okay, so yeah, yes, the order book don't really works very well because it differs from LP to LPs. Yeah, that's true. Okay. All right, so I mean, just an estimation. Okay, just an estimation basing on the market movement. Is an estimation so that you can see it should stop here and to build up. It can also be a price to touch 130, 172. Okay, and then that will be one area. Okay, for you to buy. Okay, the buyers will come in together. All right. Okay. Yeah, so let's take a look. Even there's chance that the candle comes down, got rejected up to form a support up there, also can. Okay, because this is taken out. All right. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so we can see that that is an area. That is the area that we can see. All right. So just buyers can take note. Okay. Yes. John, 5 pips TP, $1 for selling. Okay, good grab. Wow, we have solid scalper here now. Okay, all right. So you see, can you see now we are touching the price now? Okay, will it breaks below, or will it stop here to form up a support. Okay, cow dollar seller, greed masters. Okay, yeah. So take note. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so that's one point. Okay, to take note. All right. Okay, that's one point to take note. So please be careful with this area here, especially for buyers. Okay, especially for buyers. All right. Then for buyers, okay, if this is going to set up as a support, then I think that would be good. Okay, I think that would be good. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's see. If you are going to sell this, okay, at this point here, all right, just to be a little bit careful, huh? All right, euro dollar, let's take a look. Euro dollar, all right, euro dollar, we're also testing into 111538. Okay, the price of 111538 resistance. So some rejections coming in. Okay, that's, oh, looks good. Okay, but please be careful with this level. All right, this level. Okay, this is the level you've got to be careful. Okay, over here. All right, I would suggest for euro dollar, wait for it to break below. Okay, once it breaks below, retest, then you sell. You have about 17 pips to about 20. Okay, you have about 17 to around 20. Okay, that's for euro dollar. Okay, that's for the euro dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, let's take a look. Okay, now pound dollar is good whereby it starts starting off into this area. So buyers, do you have a chance now? Don't have. Missed. Okay, you don't have a chance now. Alright, you don't have a chance for buying up again. So let's see how this candle close first. Okay, let's see how this candle close first. For example, we have a few scenario here. If this is going to swing down all the way down here into this my area, okay, my favorable area, and it close here. So the next step is to wait for the retest into this area to form a resistance. Then, okay, then we will go for the selling. Okay, all right. Okay, so hold on. Okay, hold on first. Yeah. Yeah. Buyers, you have missed. Okay, so take note. Okay, take note. All right. So let's see. Okay, let's see if this is one. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So yes, sounds good. Looks good. Okay, sounds good. Looks good. Okay. All right. Yep. Yes, me too. I'm waiting for my favorable area too. Okay, I'm waiting for my favorable area. Okay, looks like it's coming into my favorable area. Nice. So buyers, no more chance for buying up already. Okay. So now situation change again. Okay, now situation change again. Let's take a look. All right. Now we can see inverse head and shoulder. Now we are having a left shoulder, the head, and it may stop here to retest into this area to become a head and shoulder. Correct. All right, over here. So we have another head and shoulder here. Okay. So, all right. Okay. Yes. Hi Cynthia. Thank you for coming in. I don't see head and shoulder. I only see a dick up there. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, we call it head and shoulder, huh? Only you call it a dick. Okay. Yeah. The left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Okay. Alright. So Cynthia called it a dick. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should say that the left balls, the left balls and the right balls, right? Okay, all right. Okay, yeah. Okay. Enough. I don't want to get banned from YouTube. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we are now into the area here. Okay, so okay. Enough. All right. Okay. Yes, John. Another pips. Another 5 pips. Another 5 pips. Oh my God. Okay, that's good. Another 5 pips. One round, second round. Okay. Please be careful, man. Come on. Don't get into the habit. All right. I mean if the price get into this area, if you are really good, okay, yes, this is a support area. If the space is good enough for you to grab, okay, I mean you can go ahead to do that. Okay, yeah, I mean that must be one of your forte. Okay, it must be one of your forte, huh? All right. Don't if that is your forte, that will be good. Okay, all right. Okay, so if you know this, how to trade in this area here, okay, then keep it that way. Follow your structure. You have your structure. Okay, you have your structure to do it. Okay, yeah. There's nothing right or wrong in forex trading. Okay, as long as if you are good in this area, then you can go with that. Yeah, if you are really good. Okay, yes. All right, so now we are setting our support over here. Okay, let me remove this. Let me perhaps just okay, I just leave it this way. So no, I just delete it. Okay, and let's do it again. Okay, let's do a small one. Okay, let's have a small one. So as long as we know, okay, this whole area, okay, then it's good enough. Okay, right. So this whole area, because I want to look at the candles. Okay, so it got rejected once again from the support. Still not into my area. So frustrating, right? But it's okay. It's fine. Understand? It's fine. All right. Well, not every day is Sunday. Sometimes things cock up. Okay, sometimes things may cock up. Okay, but we have to stay cool. All right, we have to stay cool. Okay, yeah, stay cool doesn't mean that you don't give a damn, huh? Okay. Okay, stay cool doesn't mean that you don't give a damn. Okay, so yep. Okay, stay cool. All right. So we can see that it's actually coming back to test into this area here. All right, then hold on. Same thing, if this area is going to break below, then it should be a strong resistance as well to swing further down. Okay, so you know I'm not a greedy man, but I'm ambitious. I'm not greedy, but I'm ambitious. Okay, so I always look out for very big areas. Okay, so that when I sell off, okay, when I go for the short, it will be safe enough for me to grab. Okay, all right, buyers beware. Yes, buyers beware. Okay, buyers beware. Okay, beware. Okay, because of the right shoulder. Okay, because of the right shoulder. All right, it may comes into this area to sell down again. Okay, it may comes into this area here to sell down again. All right, EJTP again. Oh, nice. Let's take a look. Oh, beautiful over here. All right, nice. Okay, very nice. Yeah, this is the right place to sell, huh? Okay, very good. Well done, Derek. Okay, this is an area of resistance. So you see, just now we are talking about the left shoulder. Am I right? That's the left shoulder, correct? So the left shoulder here, and now it comes in at the right shoulder, correct? Yeah, okay, so resistance around this area. Okay, and over this general picture for that. And then the next thing is that from this wave it created a resistance here. It hits here, it breaks, it becomes a resistance, correct? And that is one also very good one, okay, to sell down from this area. Then golfing comes in, this is where you start selling. Okay, very good, well done. Okay, pound dollar ready to sell. Pound dollar, let's see. No, pound dollar, no. Okay, yeah, take Merlions, McLion, not Merlion, McLion and soup. Singapore has mermaid. Singapore we have a mermaid, you know, with lion. Okay, they were so lonely at the point of time on this island where you have only one lion, and the lions are drinking water from the sea, and the mermaid comes along, and they meet each other, and they have a Merlion. That's how the Merlion comes about, right? Okay, just a joke, it's not true, okay. That's not true, okay. All right, okay. Yeah, is this a good chance to sell down? All right, we are still within this area of support. Okay, but I'm not really suggesting, but it's a good sign. Okay, it's a good sign that this is going to be a lower resistance to break the support of 1333, and then I will see in the next round to see if there's a retesting to form a resistance to go further down to take this low. Okay, which is about 20 pips there, okay, you get what I mean? All right, so this area, please be careful, because you can see there's a lot of rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 solid rejections. Okay, it doesn't mean that the more it hits, the weaker the support it will be. That's not true. Okay, the more it hits, it also means that more buyers are accumulating buying volume here. All right, so let's see, okay, right, so yeah, so let's wait. Don't sell now. What's that? Okay, yeah, tell Sabrina to take Merlion burger and milk. Merlion, not Merlion, McLion burger. Yeah, McLion. Okay. Yes. She was saying that any Mac delivery, any Mac delivery. Yeah, okay. Do you want to try Jubilee from Philippines? Jubilee from Philippines, okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the pound dollar now. Okay, let's see. As you can see over here, right, is now we get into the area of the support, and now it comes back here again. Right, it's back here again. Okay, it's back here again. Yep. All right. John was saying door-to-door delivery. Door-to-door delivery. Okay. Okay, that sounds so warm-hearted. Okay. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Okay, yeah. See, I told you the right balls are coming. Okay, yeah, the right balls are okay. Right balls. Okay, so, yeah, we have left shoulder, right shoulder is coming in. Okay, right shoulder is coming in. So let's see if this is going to get resisted below. Okay, and then selling may comes in. Okay, selling may comes in. Oh, come on, we still have oh, we have a 2 hot day. Okay, and today looks like a bit cool down. Okay, pound yen. Okay, now pound yen. All right, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen looks like next hour should be good for selling. Okay, they are going to resolve this. They are going to dissolve this area. Okay, we should have about 23 pips. We should have about 23 pips for the pound yen. Okay, from here to here, 21, sorry, 21 pips. About 21 pips. Okay, pound yen, the selling of pound yen. We should have about 21 pips down here to here. Okay. Okay, so take note of that. Yep. Mong Y arrow. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar, we are testing into the resistance very soon. Okay, we are testing to the resistance very soon to form up the right shoulder. Okay, right boss, right shoulder, right boss. Okay, yep. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, John. Is that what Mong Y? Is that from BD? What is BD? We have too many short form. Yeah. What is Mong Y? That day, John was telling us the Mong Y. Mong Y arrow is a strategy. Okay, it's a strategy. Yes. Okay. Maybe he's referring to this. Yeah. Maybe he's referring to this Mong Y arrow. Okay. Yeah. I only know a Mong Y. What Mong Y do you know? A rock band? Yes. What is the yes? That one. Okay. Mong Y strategy, huh? Okay. Yep. It's like a pit indicator. Right. I will rather rephrase it. I will rephrase it as a profitable indicator. Okay, so yep, we are still here. Let's see if this let's shrink it down and let's see If we're looking for selling now, this must be the area to sell. Okay, can we see now? I think everybody can see now. All right, why am I looking out for this area? Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. Okay, so I'm going to change the color and make it nicer so that everybody can see. Okay, let's go for Misty Rose. So beautiful. All right. Okay. Yeah, as a yes, John. Okay. I'm going to look out for this area. Okay, I'm going to look out for this area. Excuse me. Okay, why? Why am I looking out for this area? Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller. So when I move, look at the box. Look at this box. Okay, look at the pink, the misty rose. Look at this misty rose. When I move, you will see why am I looking for this area. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Can you see? Can you see the magic? Can you see the magic? Alright. Can you see the magic? Can you see the magic? The magic is the pink box will move. Okay, the pink box will move. Okay. No. Just joking. Alright. So let's take a look into this area here. Okay, so this is the whole area. Okay, this is the whole area that I'm looking out to sell. It's because, okay, I'm looking out for the area that it actually start the hovering to the breakouts. Okay, so the starts of the low volume, okay, to the breakout of the liquidity. Okay, all right. The pink box, I have seen it. Okay, so we can see that this area, okay, I'm still waiting for this area, okay, to be taken out first. Okay, so now you see, but we are still in the bull. Always remember, now we are still in the bull. Okay, so at the moment right now, like from here, we comes in here to test again. We see the testing of the support has been some rejections has after the testing. It shows us the support is strong, correct? The support is strong. So the support is strong. Just now, sellers, now buyers, correct? Because it hits onto the support. It's not getting into the area. So now the question to ask everybody, okay? The question to ask everybody, okay? Participate now. Do sellers have a chance to sell by looking into this situation here? Okay, can I ask, do sellers have a chance to sell by looking into the situation down here? Okay, right, so let's see. Okay, all right, okay, right, so let's see. Okay, yeah. Yes, Bradley, no. Trinity, no. Fat, 没有. Yes, correct. Okay, yeah. All right. So for this, can you see? You get what I mean? Yeah, it's obvious. It's very obvious. You sellers, we don't have a chance to sell because of the rejections here. Okay, so it's very strong support here that we don't have a chance to sell. Yeah. Okay. Yes, John. Yes. Yes or yes. It's different, right? Yes. With a question mark. Yes. You agree? Okay, so once again, now let's go back here. Okay, let's go back into this area here. All right, let's go back into this area. Okay, let me move this. Okay, let me do this. All right. Now, okay, let's do this. The resistance. Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, how's Carlos doing? Caro, where are you now? Okay, let me have a Misty Rose. Okay, again, I like Misty Rose. Okay, it looks nice. Okay. I'm sorry guys. Okay, we have some misunderstanding here. Okay. Yeah. When I say I like Misty Rose, I'm sorry to express it that way. I like Misty Rose. I like it so much. No. Okay. Alright. Alright. Yes. Munching McLion and Zoom. Okay, so we can see this is the resistance area. So you can see it's the price closed above, correct? Now it's moving towards the north. Now the price is moving towards the north. Okay, so this is the same price. This is the same price where just now we are talking about. Okay, it hits here, it went down, it breaks through. Now it comes back again. It opens right on the spot, right on the price. When it's open right on the price over here, please be careful. This may be a breakout, okay, but it's not advisable to buy in. Okay, but it's not advisable to buy in. Okay, all right. So hang on first, because the opening is in the resistance area. So let's see if they have a chance. If there's a chance, that will come back to retest to set up support and get out of this area again, then that will be a good chance for us to buy. Yeah, going to buy. Okay, all right. So just take note on this. I've already confirmed the resistance. So we have 12 pips. Then you may meet up with a turbulence, some hovering. Then after that, it breaks through and continue to go again. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's one. Okay. And that's one also. Okay, so let's hang on. Okay, take note. Yes, what is that? Eric is a pop star. Pop star, Twinkle Little Star singer. Yeah, my sixth sense tells me there's no chance trading the GJ today. GJ today, yeah. Oh, it closed below, but I'm waiting for the retest to sell down, but there isn't any chance. So let's wait for it to take out the highs up there first. Okay, allow it to take out the highs up there, then we will decide if there's a chance to sell. Okay, yeah. For GJ, generally we are in the bear. But it's just that we are very close to the support. Okay, we are very close to the support. But see that the selling is possible. Today. Okay, quite possible today. All right. So just hang on for a little while for it to test onto the resistance. We need a resistance before we can go for selling. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's the pound dollar. As for the pound dollar today, yeah, all right, yeah, it's now looks like it's going to test into this area here to form up a resistance for another round of selling down to the support. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, now pound dollar we have moved to a situation. Okay, over here. Yeah, God has more than the usual 5 senses. That's why he says 6 cents. Okay, so over at this point here. Alright, over at this point here. Okay, can we see? Alright, here. Okay, if the price is going to test into this area, okay, then it may form a resistance, and if this resistance comes along and is able to hold, then we will be looking out for another round of selling down back to this area here, 1333. Okay, it can be, okay, yeah. So just take note, all right, just take note. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Let me check. Selling off, yeah. Yes, it's selling off, but then again, is that hold on first. So fast. Yes. The pin box. Okay, over here. Now we are from the top, now coming down as a lower resistance once again. Now we have a lower resistance. Okay, now we have a lower resistance. Dari, are you still there, Dari? Okay, so let's see if I guess likely to be next hour. Next hour will be better. Okay, next hour it will be better, I think. Okay, if Dari is there, all right. Is Dari there? Anyway, okay, so just take a look. Okay, over here. Now it seems like what we are saying, that it comes back here to retest. If this is going to set up as a support, buyers can take note. Okay, buyers can take note. All right. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Yeah, because right now it can either be selling, it can also be buying. Okay, it can be buying, it can be selling. Okay, either way. All right. So please be careful. Okay. We don't have to make any decision now because there isn't any clear signal for us to make any decision. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it got rejected now. All right. All right. Yes. Looking keenly. Looking keenly, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's hang on for a little while. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Coffee. What is that? What is that? Kahawa. Did I pronounce correctly? Kahawa. So next time when I go Kenya, I will say, can I have a kahawa? Kahawa. Speaking of which, I have not been drinking coffee for long time. Very long time. Yeah. Kahawa. Yes. Oh, I see. Nice. Okay. Kahawa. Kahawa means coffee. Okay. Right. You see, it's quite struggling, am I right, in this area today. Okay, so well, later on today, after yesterday, you know, as usual. Okay, once you have CPI, we are followed by PPI. Okay, so later on we are going to experience PPI. Okay, same thing. All right, so I guess this whole area is going to is waiting for PPI. Okay, they are waiting for PPI, huh? Okay, look at this area here. Okay, look at this zone, huh? Okay, let me remove. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Yes, CPI, PPI. Okay, so let's take a look at this area here. Okay, so this whole area. So this range is very tough, correct? It's very tough. So let's see. Now it's breaking out of this area, but there's a resistance very near to this resistance here. So if this is going to break below, okay, then we have a support down there, which is a better choice because we have bigger space. Am I right? Okay, so in this case here, all right, addition to it is that they are looking for support to go further up. So I'm expecting to see the support should come into this area here. Okay, it should be here. All right, they should be looking out for support. No, sorry, it should be here. Okay, so they should be looking out for support into this area of 129,765. All right, 129,765. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so we can see this whole area here. Okay, once you plot all this out, I think it's clearer. Am I right? It's clearer. Okay, it's clearer for you, for us to gauge where should we be going. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, let's take a look at this. Slowly, pound dollar is a bit slow. Okay. It's going to take the resistance up there. Okay. Yep. Looks like the PPI is going to be a very big movement tonight. As you can see, the CPI, yes, the move of yesterday of CPI, and today the chart has been stuck in the regions that the CPI liquidity being grabbed, and that is where okay, yeah, it can be, okay. Yeah, well, whether the PPI is going to have a very big movement today, okay, later on, we still have to stay away no matter what. Okay, no matter what. So let's say, okay, we have a level here, okay, that we can see is actually escalating upwards. Am I right? Okay, for the yesterday's, this is the non-farm. No, this is yesterday's CPI. Yesterday's CPI, correct. Then after that, today, the move over here from the GDP of the pound, okay, and then later on, let's see if the CPI is going to come back to take this to move further up, okay. As usual, you should know the move. Why don't you tell the rest? I do not know the move. Okay, yeah. Okay. Guys can take a look. Okay, if the plan to go this way, if this is the resistance that is holding down, okay, holding down the pound dollar, over at this point here, okay, if the price is going to hover around until the PPI, okay, I see very good chance that during the PPI the price should shoot down, okay, to take 129.76.5, then it may start to go back as a bull. Okay, it may. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so just take note, all right, take note. Okay, take note. All right. Yes. Okay. Yep. No chance, no move. Okay. Right. We are moving towards the resistance now. Okay, we are moving towards the resistance now. Yes. Keep it going. Yep. All right. Where? Which one? Can I sell off from the resistance if the resistance able to hold? Which resistance are you talking about? Which resistance are you talking about? This one? Are you talking about this one? Or you're talking about 130.385? This one or 130.385? Which one? Okay. 130.282 over here. If this able to hold it down, okay, then we zoom in and take a look. Okay, just now we are talking about this area here. Can you see this area, this candle? It got rejected from this area, correct? So now it rejected into this area to tell us this is also a support. Now it's moving as a red green candle to move as a buy. To create a higher high to take this. Okay, it moves as a higher high to take this. Alright, so that's one. Then this one point to take note. Okay. Okay, so likely now it should be on the buy side to take that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that is one point here. You've got to be careful. All right. Yeah. All right. So be careful. Right. We are getting near. Again. All right. Congratulations, Bradley. GUTP buy. Okay. So yeah, it went in. Retest as a support, set up this area, green. Okay, so yep. Okay, yes. Okay, congratulations, Bradley. Nice catch. Okay, well done. Yep. All right. Okay, so over at this point here, let's see. We are going to take this. We are going to take this. All right, we are going to take down. Okay, let's shoot this down. Okay. Yep. Okay, so over at this point here, okay. Lastly, before I go, we can see it came in here. It did not set up the right boss, like Cynthia was saying. So it started to break through, retest as a support, form up the support, okay, and started to buy up to create a higher high now. To take this, 133.85, 133.85. Okay, so now, all right, what is going to be next? Will this hold? Okay, will this 130 hold, 133.85 hold as a resistance? All right, then I think it's very clear that we are actually looking out for support right over here again. Okay, right here. Okay, into this area of support. All right, this is the area of support. All right, now it sits nicely into 133.85 here. Okay, selling. No, no selling now. Huh? Dangerous to sell now. Okay, dangerous to sell now. Okay, very bullish now. Okay, so let's see over at this point here, 1530 H1. H1 has opened up as a buy. So let's hang on. Okay, let's wait. Then no sellers, no. Okay, so we are very bullish now. So no. Okay, all right, not at the moment now. Oh, I'm so surprised. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's hang on. Okay, so what's going to be next? All right, this resistance, if this resistance able to hold for another lower resistance to come again, selling is possible now to this area. Selling is possible now into this area here. You have 24 pips now. Okay, right, so you have to take note. Okay, you got to take note. Okay, got to take note. Now tested into this area, it may go up and test as a double top again, then selling down once again. It can be. All right, so you can grab this area. If that's selling, you can grab this area here. All right, okay, you can grab this area here. But of course, now like my favorable area here seems like it has been blocked by this. All right, so there may be a chance that we have a double top up there, and then we go for another round of selling within this area. Okay, within this area, but look out for 130, 172, because this has shown as a resistance. This has shown as a as a support, not resistance, as a support. Okay, this has shown as a support over here. All right. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, so this area here, okay, this area here, we are looking into this area for selling. If the lower resistance or a double top is has shown up, okay, then look out for the selling over here. Okay, you can wait for a double top. Yes, you can wait for a double top or a lower resistance to form. Okay, then to sell down to 130, 172, 130, 172. All right, let's say if that close below this area into the pink box here. Okay, so there may be a chance they are trying to test into 1333, 1333. Okay, so hang on first, we are still not there yet. Okay, still a long way to go. All right, still a long way to go. Okay, so take it easy, all right. Okay, so we still have some time waiting. Okay, relax. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, that should be all for today. All right, and I think that should be all. Yes, last message. Okay. Oh, no more. Okay, thank you. Okay, that should be all, guys. So I shall see you tomorrow and wish you good luck in your trading with bountiful profits. Do remember today we have PPI. Okay, so allow the PPI to settle out. Then we will see how it goes before we go into any trades. All right. Okay, take hawa. Yes, alright, thank you very much, and I shall see you guys once again tomorrow. Alright, same time and same channel. Okay, wherever you are from. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub, and wish you good luck with bountiful of profits. See you again tomorrow. See you guys.